Alrighty, so this morning I did the upstairs York gas 80% efficiency furnace, and now we are going first startup, and now we are going to do the downstairs system. This is the one that's matched up to the Guardian, and oh my god. Yeah, this is the one that's matched up to the Guardian. It's the same thing. It's from 2001. It's a 80% efficiency gas furnace. There's the data panel. You can see down into the attic over there. Here's the flue pipe, metal flue pipe. York is made by Airtron, and let me see. I guess. Oh my god, I wish. Alright, I'll be back. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Don't you fall, Blackberry. Dang it! I missed it, of course. It's got free hot surface igniters. It's a larger system. Guardian's a 4-ton from 2007. Replaced the York Olympian Series unit, which I don't know how it died. Because I was 5 years old, and I don't know. It really just, oh my god, that stinks. Holy crap. Whew, it didn't make that noise, unless it did it before I came up here. Oh my god, that stunk. Shoo-wee. I bet it really stinks downstairs. Oh yeah, the upstairs system's been kicking on and off a bunch this morning. There's Muffin right there. Oh, it's already 69. That's quick. Here's the, see the filter. It's quieter in heating mode. Dang, this thing needs to be changed. Maybe I'll change it later today. We'll do a Dunkin' Bell, but I don't know. Muffin, gonna have to. She's just meowing. She wants me to pet her. Huh? It's nice and warm. Gas meter. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna show the gas meter. Actually, nah. I can't make up my mind, can I? Anyways, alright. Let me run up here and see if we can maybe catch it shutting off the video of the furnace earlier. It's uploading it now. When did I turn the light out? I don't know. Still running, yep. I think it is. There's the gas line. York. Oh, man. my god. So much crap in here. Hit me. Anyways, over and out. I've jacked it up to 69. So yeah. Anyways, over and out. I think it's now 11 p.m.